let us see a question here where we have to draw a linear graph when some data is given to us. Now, in this question, population in thousands of men and women in a village in different years are given. So, this is the year 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. This is the population of men in thousands and this is the population of women in thousands, and this table we have to convert into a linear graph. Now, for converting into a linear graph, first of all, on the x axis you will have to take the year. Now, we have taken the year here starting from 2003, 4, 5 and up to 6, up to whatever is given to us in the question. Now, here the starting is from the lowest number, if you see, is 11.3. So, that means we have to start this from 11. This is 0, no point in starting from 1, 2, 3 because then is no quantity between 0 and 11. So, here since there is a big gap, here if you see we have taken 11, 12, 13, 14, 1 centimeter gap, and here there is a gap of 11. So, when the class interval is different like this, we have to put a kink here. This indicates that our line graph is starting from here. This portion is not to be considered. So, this symbol is a break in the graph, it is called the kink. So, once we put the kink, that means we can plot now 11.3 or 13.2 on this. Now, between 11 and 12, if you observe on a graph paper, there are 10 divisions. The first division will correspond to 0.1, that is, this is 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.5, 11.6, so on, 11.9 and up to 12. So, 10 divisions we will find here, 10 divisions here and 10 divisions here. Now, in 2003, let us concentrate on the first values given for the population of men in thousands. So, the first value given is 12. So, 2003 and 12. So, that corresponds to this point here on the graph. Then 2004, 12.5. Now, 12.5 means it is between 12 and 13, the fifth division. So, from 2004, we are going to put a point here. Then 2005, it is 13. So, 2005, the population is increasing up to 13. So, we put another point here. 2006, it is 13.2. So, 13.2 means this is 13.1 and 13.2. So, 2 millimeters above that and corresponding to 2006. So, we have 4 points here and we are going to join this with the help of lines. That is why it is called a line graph. So, we join the 4 points, and this is the line graph for the first quantity, in this case the population of men in thousands. Now, on the same graph you are supposed to plot the population of women in thousands. So, 2003 the population of women 11.3. So, this is 11, 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, that will be here. Then 2004 it is 11.9. So, 11.9 will come somewhere here, just 1 millimeter below 12. So, this is the second point. Then 13. So, 2005, this point corresponds to the same as before. So, this point is same, and then finally 13.6 in 2006. So, 2006 13.6, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sixth division here. So, this is going to be here. Now, we get these points. Now, if you join it with the help of lines, then there will be no distinction between the line drawn initially and the line drawn now. So, what we are going to do is join it with the help of dotted lines. So, you can join this point to this, and we can join this point to this, and finally this point. And now, we can make a small column out here indicating what is what. So, the first we can say the line signifies the population of men and the dotted line signifies the population of women. So, here the population of men and women are increasing, but we find that the population of women overtaking the population of men in the year 2006. Here it is same at the 2005. So, based on this graph now many questions can be asked which we will have to answer. For example, when is the population same? Population of men and women are same in the year 2005, and you can say that when is the population of women overtaking that of men? So, that answer will be 2006. So, based on the line graph you can get many questions, and in this case they were asking us to draw the graph which we have drawn, On the same graph, we have plotted the population of men and the population of women in thousands. So, by reading this graph, we can easily make some meaningful conclusions.